This is the large James model with added kickouts for more square feet, see supplements. Custom gourmet kitchen setup for the best of cooks and the family to enjoy. This roomy floor plan has a lot of usable square feet and little wasted space. The dining room and living room are larger, and that makes for great enjoyment and entertaining. The master suite is very suited for almost any layout, and the master bath and walk-in closet are the icing on the cake. To even make this house more exciting, the yard is fully landscaped with many trees, paths, and areas to sit. The covered patio is great and is added to by the large extension, making the pack patio a full 750 square feet, 25 by 30. This home is inviting from the very first, with excellent curb appeal and landscaped yard.